Male breast reduction. If you have man boobs, you probably know what a hindrance this cosmetic blunder can be. Not only can it be embarrassing, but it can also cause your self-esteem and body image to take a serious nosedive. But the good news is that you're not alone, and it's a relatively easy problem to fix through male breast reduction. It is estimated that up to 40% of men have gynecomastia, a Greek term that means woman-like breasts. The cause can be anything from simple heredity to reactions to certain medications, but the result is the same. The patient suffers from overdeveloped breasts due to enlarged glandular tissues, fat, and possibly excess skin. Gynecomastia or male breast is such a common issue that around 40% of men suffer from it at some point in time, usually during teenage or adolescence, when hormonal changes take place in the growing body. Boys start developing women-like breasts, which are known as gynecomastia. Is gynecomastia harmful? There are no harmful effects of male breasts, but their psychological impact on the person suffering from them is very deep. Men or boys suffering from gynecomastia feel ashamed of taking their shirts off. They often develop an inferiority complex which stops them from taking part in various outdoor activities, especially those that require taking their clothes off, like swimming, joining a gym. In fact, men suffering from this embarrassing condition often avoid wearing body-hugging clothes and prefer to remain obese, which may lead to several complications later. The real cause of male breasts. Though obesity is one of the contributing factors in making the appearance of breasts more like those of women, the main reason behind gynecomastia is hormonal imbalance, which starts during teens and gets regularized after a few years. By the time teenager becomes an adult, gynecomastia disappears on its own in a majority of cases. However, more than half the people suffering from this condition do not recover from it even after reaching adulthood. The enlarged breasts remain there even during adulthood. This is exactly when treatment is required to lead a life free of embarrassment and continuous psychological scars. Male breast reduction, natural treatment or surgical process, which one is better? Until some time back, the only permanent solution for male breasts was surgical treatment. Would you like to get rid of male breasts without going for the expensive surgical process? Get rid of the embarrassment you have been living with since your teens. Order the natural male breast reduction formula now by clicking the link in the description box below. It goes without saying that the surgical process is still the most preferred choice for many people, but it is an expensive treatment and leaves behind scars on the skin in a majority of cases. Though expert surgeons try their best to make the incision in such a way that no scar is visible, it is often not guaranteed by them. As mentioned above that the main cause of this condition is hormonal imbalance, a new natural formula has hit the market that promises to regularize your hormonal imbalances and burns fatty tissues and glandular tissues from under your chest. Once this formula starts working, the appearance of male breasts turns into more muscular looks. With the improved appearance and manly chest, you start regaining your lost confidence. After prolonged use of these pills, your chest becomes harder and more masculine permanently. Over the years, gynecomastia treatment has advanced in such a way that there are now herbal male breast reduction pills like Gynecomastia. There are several ways for you to make those man breasts disappear. Men from all over the world are getting rid of their man breasts by undergoing gynecomastia surgery, engaging in special exercise and diet programs, and taking herbal male breast reduction pills. The use of herbal male breast reduction pills is an excellent way of getting rid of man breasts. These supplements have become quite popular, and research has shown that they greatly reduce the amount of chest fat that results in gynecomastia. It is best to consult with your physician before taking any sort of herbal supplements. However, when it comes to Gynecomastia's ingredients, it is known that it is made from all natural elements that will cause no side effects. You are required to take 3 Gynecomastia pills per day, after which you should ensure that you drink a sufficient amount of water for the remainder of the day. Normally, results start to show around 3 weeks, and at approximately 6 weeks the results will be greater and your chest will be firmer. Your Gynecomastia dosage should be reduced once you have seen the results you desire. Would you like to get rid of male breasts without going for the expensive surgical process? Get rid of the embarrassment you have been living with since your teens. Order the natural male breast reduction formula now by clicking the link in the description box below.